Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash, Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. A given compound interest calculated yearly on a certain amount sum of money for the second year is rupees 1320 and for third year 1452 rupees, and we need to find the rate of interest and the original sum of money. So given compound interest for the second year is rupees 1320, the compound interest for third year is 1452. Now find the simple interest on rupees 1320 for 1 year. So which means just subtract compound interest for third year minus compound interest for second year. So which is 1452 minus 1320, which means 132 rupees. So we know that the simple interest formula is PRT divided by 100. We need to find the rate of change, which is R. So R is equals to simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. So rate of interest equals to simple interest is 132 rupees into 100, and the principal amount for 1 year, first year, which is 1320, and the time is 1. So because we are calculating for 1 year, so principal amount is 1320 for first year, and time is 1 year, so which is 1. So if you simplify this, we'll get 13,200 divided by 1320. If we divide that, we'll get 10. So the rate of interest is 10%. Now find the original sum of money. Let P be the original sum of money. And then write down the formula, which is amount after 2 years minus amount after 1 year equals to compound interest for second year. So amount after 2 years minus amount after 1 year equals to compound interest for second year. So just write down the general formula of compound interest, which is principal amount plus R divided by N whole power Nt. The same formula for 1 year as well, but here N is the compounded annually. So here it is we used to calculate the amount yearly, so which means N is equals to 1. So R is equals to 10% rate of change, so 10 by 100 whole power Nt. So here for 2 years T equals to 2, and for 1 year T equals to 1, equals to 1320. So 10 by 100 becomes 0.1, so 0.1 plus 1 becomes 1.1 whole square minus 1.1. So we have taken out the P common. So 1.1 whole square becomes 1.21 minus 1.1. So 1.21 minus 1.1 becomes 0.11. So P is equals to 1320 divided by 0.11. So if you divide that, we will get 12,000 rupees. So we can conclude that the original sum amount is rupees 12,000, and the rate of change is a 10%. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.